Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is regarding the admission notice at ISI, which is Indian Statistical Institute. All right. So now the courses for which this notice is all about are Masters in Statistics, Masters in Math, MSN QE. QE stands for Quantitative Economics, right? Then comes MSN QMS, that is Quality Management Systems. Then MTech in computer science, MTech in CRS, which is crypto sciences, I suppose, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And then comes QROR, which is quality, reliability, and operational research, right? And then our postgraduate diplomas and research fellowships, right? So I'll not talk about first and second point as it's for bachelors, right? I'll come over to third point. Okay. So now eligibility for this 2 year Masters of Statistics program is any discipline. Like you can be a holder of any bachelor's degree, and this program will be offered at ISI Delhi. Your stipend would be 8,000 per month. Next one is 2 year Masters of Mathematics. So again, you should be a bachelor's degree holder of any 3 or 4 year degree, right? And this is offered in Bangalore, and stipend is 8,000 again. Next is quantitative economics. So it will be offered at Kolkata and Delhi. So first year would be in Kolkata and second year will be at Delhi. Again 8,000 per month. Then comes quality management systems. So in this also any discipline is eligible and it is offered in Bangalore and Hyderabad. Then comes Master of Science in Library and Information Sciences. So it is offered at only Bangalore. Then eighth one is MS in computer sciences. So for this you need a 4 year BTech degree or equivalent degree in any stream. Any BTech can apply, right? Any BTech, and any masters can also apply, right? But you should have mathematics in your 12th standard, and it is offered at Kolkata. Your stipend would be 12,400 rupees per month. So in this, if you are having a gate score, right, but a relevant gate score, like if you are from mechanical, then your gate scorecard should be of mechanical only, not of electrical, electronics or computer science. And if you are a computer science holder, then it should be a computer science scorecard only, right? So if you are having this scorecard, then you don't need to give written exam for this MS in computer science, right? And same goes for this cryptology and security also, right? Same is the eligibility and same is the selection process for this. Okay. Now next one is 2 year Master of Technology in Quality, Reliability and Operational Research. So you should be a BTech degree holder or any other equivalent qualification, and a master's degree in statistics with physics and chemistry at 12th standard, a master's degree in mathematics with statistics as a subject at the undergraduate or postgraduate level, and PCM physics chemistry at 12th standard is mandatory, right? So again here also stipend is 12,400. So one thing I would like to add, that in this particular profile, this is QROR, right? So I have checked on Quora also, and other I have connected with people on LinkedIn also. So they said that regarding this quality QROR profile, the placements if you are expecting in this core quality or operational research domain, then that is tough, because no, actually this ISI is a premier institute. It provides 100% placements, but and almost average is 15 lakhs. But in your core operational research, placement would be tough, right? So the companies which will be turning up would provide you job roles in analytics and data scientist roles, right? Because this institute is almost related to maths only, so most of the companies, they come for hiring analysts from here, right? And all the big companies like Goldman Sachs, Samsung R&D, Microsoft, all those companies hire their analysts and risk analysts from here, data scientists as well. So it's a good option to pursue, especially for mechanical engineers, right? So you can go ahead. Next is one year diploma in statistical methods and analytics, right? But 50% seats are reserved for domiciles of northeastern states, and your stipend would also be given to them only. And similar is the case, I guess, for this also. It is offered at Giridhi. I don't know where it is, but 3 years bachelor degree in discipline. Yeah. Okay. Now JRF. So JRF for statistics. So it is offered at Kolkata, Delhi, Bangalore, and Chennai. Mathematics again same. So anyone who is interested in research and after this they want to pursue doctorate, then this JRF is also a good option for you. All right. So your fellowship in JRF would be 31,000 per month, 31K, right? So selection process. So selection of candidates will be based on their performance in written tests and interviews conducted by the institute subject to satisfying the minimum academic qualifications. Note: ISI offers PhD degrees only in, yeah, it's for PhD only. I'll not read about it. No equivalent admission test will be conducted this year for these awardees. All right. So now application fee. So application fee is 1250 rupees for all male applicants, right? General category, of course, and 750 rupees for female applicants, and 625 for SC/ST, right? So important dates are these. So online application has been started on 3rd of May, right? And the last date, I'll highlight it with other color, and last date is 1st of June. So this is your deadline and you need to apply before this. ISI admission test for GRF in statistics would be on 11th of July, and for all other programs it would be on 18th July. 18th July. All right. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel to get all the latest updates regarding the jobs and vacancies. And I also upload GATE lectures, so anyone who is preparing for GATE can see my lectures from the playlists. So thank you.